Hello, welcome to another video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we're going to create something I'm calling the heartbeat monitor. So what happens is if I put my fingers on pin 0 and ground, a little heartbeat is appearing there. So this is not actually measuring my heartbeat, but it's giving an indication that I'm conducting electricity. So if I let go, I'm not conducting, but if I hold both hands, electricity is flowing through from one hand to my other hand to create a little heartbeat. You can even try connecting more than one person in a row with this. But let's go and see if we can create this with our coding. So to create our heartbeat monitor, I'm first going to create a new project in Make Code. And I am going to, for this project, use forever, so I don't need on start. And we're going to use a block you might not have seen before, and that is while. So this means while something is happening, it's going to do whatever you put inside it. So that something is going to be pin is pressed. So while pin 0 is pressed, so that's the pin here, is pressed, it is going to do something. And we're going to have a heart. So I'm going to have icon, show icon. I'm going to have pause. So show icon, pause, 500 milliseconds. Then I'm going to show another icon, which is a smaller heart. I didn't need to change the first one because it always shows a heart is the first show icon. And then I'm going to duplicate this. So I've got another pause. And finally, I need it to clear screen. So this means if we break this cycle, it'll clear screen and it'll show that it's not conducting electricity. So it's not showing that you're conducting electricity. So that is simply how it works. So if I connect pin 0 and ground, it will show the heart. But if I disconnect them, it won't show the heart. Download this to your microbit and see if it works. And I hope to see you in another video very soon.